Hi guys, it's Wednesday and it's a home workout video day, and today I will be talking about something which a lot of people have asked me previously, like how to build muscle at home. Like, I'm not going to talk about body weight exercises. You guys all know that you need to do push-ups, incline, decline, diamond push-ups, pilo push-ups for shoulders, all these you know. I will be talking about certain things or an equipment rather, which can be carried anywhere and can be used anytime, even if you don't have enough area to even do a body weight workout. Because a body weight workout at least requires you to have a 4x6 area so that you can lie down or you can stand up or you can do sit ups, all these things. But trust me, when I'm talking about an equipment, let me show you the equipment. The equipment is this. This is a resistance band, which is actually one of the best ways to build good amounts of muscle. It might not get you buffed or like it won't like make you huge, but it's perfect if you want to work on your slow twitch muscle fibers, and if your body comprises of slow twitch muscle fibers, if you're looking to pack on mass, all these things, resistance bands are fantastic because actually they use your own weight and you can adjust the resistance by maneuvering the feet position, hand position. And the best part is that if you get the right ones, you can fix them to a wall or you can fix them to a leg of a bed or something, and you can do any kind of workout, be targeting your shoulders, your chest, your arms, your triceps, even your legs. Some point of time you can achieve great results using resistance band. So today I will be giving you a few demonstrations. I will be starting with selected body parts. So today I will be talking about arms, like how can you build big arms or like well cut and well conditioned arms using resistance band. So watch out. This is the first part of the video where I am going to talk about using resistance bands without any sort of a support or without any sort of a clinging support that you can like fix it and do. You can do it on your own. Suppose you go to a hotel room. Suppose you go to a hotel room, you can like you just have these babies with you, and you do have beds, but you just want to work out at a, what I would say, at a proper excursion place or a hilltop, anywhere where you don't find places to clean this. You can do workouts like this. So do check it out. This is for biceps first. I've got pretty jacked up calves today. I did calves, so I will be sharing my workout afterwards. So this is how you can do, like fix a proper distance, like both sides should be at a particular distance. You can measure it by putting these on the floor, and once you are done, you can do the normal exercises. This is the normal exercise, like the normal curls. These normal curls are expected to give you great results and they are perfect for warm-ups. But the problem with resistance band, or the best part with them, whichever way you take it, is that you need to do a minimum of 30 to 50 reps. So what I would suggest you to do minute count workouts, like continue curling like this for 30 seconds to 1 minute. And there's another trick to using this workout is that when you do curls, you can do the wide angled curl for the inner head of your bicep. You can do the closed ones for the outer head, and you can do conventional one. So I would recommend you to do 30 seconds each and total of 90 seconds for the best pump of your life. And trust me, it will give you the best pump which you haven't got out of the dumbbell oriented exercises. This is the first part for the biceps. Next, you can also use it for doing a kind of concentration curl. You just need to increase the separation so that the resistance increases, and once you get it in a proper place, you can do the concentrations like this. Same for this side. So these workouts, even the concentration part which I just showed you, should be done as a minuted rep, like 30 seconds each hand or 1 minute each hand, depending upon how much of a strength you have. So this is the first part of the workout, like how to do when you just have the band and your legs. This is for biceps. For triceps also we can work out, like I will show you one tricep workout for this. What you can do is, you can just put the band in a pretty elongated position and you can sit on it and lift it. Once it's, you can do a proper French press using French press both in a seated or in a standing direction using this band. So bicep part, you can do normal minuted curls, go always like side, side, the opening one for the inner part of your bicep, the closer ones for the outer part of your bicep, and the normal ones. One more thing you can do is, you can do the, like this, reverse curls. You can also target your forearms with these bands. Just tuck in your elbows so that your elbows don't flare, and you can just pull your bands and achieve a great workout using this. So this is the first part. Next I will be showing you how to do a workout when it is tied to a pole or tied to any extension. So watch out. Hey guys, the next part of this video is about using resistance bands when they are tied to a particular position. Like I fixed it to the leg of my sofa, and using this you can do a lot of exercises. First part, you can do that famous, or rather one of the most effective, standing bicep curls facing the other direction, which is actually a different extension of a drag curl. Like you can see it. Like, my voice won't be going that loud, so you just observe and see the technique, and I will be explaining it afterwards. These are the two variations which I just showed you. One is like facing this side and another one is like facing straight. In both directions, in the first case, when you are doing the first workout, just push your biceps like this so that it gets extended this way and pull it. Just pull from this portion, don't move your elbows, and this will be a different variation of the drag curl and it will increase that peak. Secondly, when you do this workout, keep your hands in front of your body slightly so that even when you go completely down, the stretch is still there, and it can be easily achieved using the resistance band. And again, I will tell you to do 30 seconds to 1 minute of each exercise, and don't count the number of reps you do. When you are doing resistance band, try to count the number of reps. Don't try to count the number of reps you are doing. Instead, look to count the number of seconds, like 60 seconds. If you can last up till 60 seconds, you are in a very good shape, and you need to increase the band strength. So there are different kinds of bands available. Different companies provide different kinds of resistances. It depends on the Young's modulus, like how much you can stretch it. So what you can do is opt for a band, which, my hair is completely messed up. What you can do, I will give you a few links in the description box. You can purchase, or you can look for those links. You can look for the specific bands. Like it's one is light, one is medium, and another is heavy. I'm using the heavier one, and like you can do a lot of reps with that if you are strong enough. And for intermediate or people who are just starting off, you can use soft bands or even medium bands, depending upon the resistance thing you look to prefer. So for triceps also you can do this exercise. You can use it for this kind of an extension you can do. Or you can, if you want to increase the stretch, you can just hold this part of the band and you can lift it like this. This is how you can do tricep extensions, like low cable tricep extensions using a resistance band. And one more tip, which is more of a pro tip, like when you are using resistance band, don't go completely down because there is not any weight to pull you down. So when you are going for even curls or even like reverse curls or even those extensions, go back as much as you can, but stop on the 2/3 of the movement backwards. Like if you leave it completely, the tension will completely get relieved. So in the next part, we'll talk about types of training for biceps and even triceps when the resistance band is attached to a window or something higher than you. So watch out for that. Hi guys, this is my bench where I'm sitting. I will be showing you the usefulness of having a bench at home afterwards. But now I will be explaining as how we can do workouts using resistance band when we have a proper area where we can hang the band, where we can like tie the band above our head. And I already have a band tied up because I do use a lot of resistance band. So let me open the window, and this is how my band looks. This is how my band looks. So if you're working out with this band, you can do a lot of exercises. Like you can do biceps. Let me show it to you like this. You can do biceps. You can do the seated or even the standing bicep curls, like cable curls. And you can opt for a different kind of a principle when you are training biceps using these curls. You can opt for, first is the you can opt for two things. Like one is the eccentric position, when you just pull it up, this stretch, hold it for a few seconds. Then when you are leaving it in the concentric position, when you are letting the portion go, let it go slowly and keep it in a proper stretch for a long time. That is the isometrics. So eccentric, concentric and the isometric thing can actually work a lot well on your biceps. Similarly, on your triceps also, you can opt for the straight arm cable extensions. Just try to keep your core tight when you are doing it, either standing or sitting, and pull it to the maximal stretch and let it go only till half. Like don't drop it like this. Pull it completely. This is how you can do the bicep workouts. Let me close the window or else mosquitoes will come. No. So this is how. I will give you a small recap of what I just did. First I started off by using resistance band with just two legs. Like when you just have the two legs, you can pull the resistance band by finding a proper position for yourself. You can do the wider ones, inner ones and even straight ones, and even the reverse grip for the biceps. For triceps, you can just fix it to the back of your leg and you can do those French presses sitting or standing. But whatever you do it for 30 to 60 seconds depending upon your power, because more you do, you will be able to get more out of this exercise, as this exercise won't give you a quick pump if you do 8 to 10 repetitions. You need to survive for at least 60 seconds, like 45 to 60 seconds if you want to feel that pump. So next part when we did is to fix this or fix the resistance band to a lower area, to any support, and we did the standing cable curls, one arm facing you, another one is like a different modification of a drag curl. Even for triceps we did these extensions by like low to high cable extensions. You can use it, and moreover you can also use it like if it's low down, you can also pull the band and you can also do those kickbacks using resistance bands. Lastly, we did for resistance bands which are hung up, you can do the cable curls and you can also do the straight arm cable extensions. So, and you can also, when your cable extensions you can also do the reverse thing for those triceps, like your triceps will be pumped. You can also do the reverse grip tricep pull downs. So these are the things which you can do, and there are many other variations which I will be sharing on this channel. So these are the first few variations which you can try out irrespective of beginner or advanced level workout. So do follow these workouts, and we'll meet tomorrow with a very different kind of a video where I will be talking about kidneys and how can you keep your kidneys safe. It's a very detailed video and somebody has requested me to do that. I will do that surely, and it will be up tomorrow. So if you have any questions regarding these kind of workouts, do post it on the comment section and I will reply to each one of you. If you like my content, give me a thumbs up and do share and subscribe to my channel, as any support would be good. So please, friends, stay healthy and bye bye till tomorrow.